Hey, it's Cutlass Guy slash Firebird Guy. Today I'm just gonna recap some of the stuff I gotta do, that gotta catch up on. What we're gonna do here on the Cutlass is I'm not gonna use these fenders that I've already worked on. I'm going to get new fenders on the front, and then I'm gonna finish this part of the car, the doors and that quarter. I'm gonna finish that. And while I'm waiting for the parts on this. So in the meantime, I had to work on the Firebird because when we took it for a ride yesterday, the exhaust was leaking. So what is a good thing to do is to save all kind of stuff from all the years of restoration. I actually saved exhaust donuts and gaskets, okay? So it worked out because these are exhaust donuts. I determined that on the Firebird is where the exhaust is, where the leak was coming from. It's coming right from the pipe that goes there. And if you can see, I hope you can see, let's move in on a little bit. And here we go. See the exhaust there? This is where the flange comes up to the exhaust, and what had happened is the donut, there's a donut in between here, which I already peeled out. It's the old parts of it here. There was a part of the donut, the old donut, that goes right in here, and then that's going to go back up into the exhaust and by the starter, and I'll bolt that back in with a couple bolts that hold that on, and then it should be quiet again. But in the meantime, on the Firebird, there's other things that I have to do that I want to finish up. So, you know, it looks good. The car looks good. You know, it appears to be good. But there's some things that are missing that I have to work on. Like if you notice here, where the door lock comes out, and this door is really hard to open. You got to push it, barely. I have to get it from, sometimes I got to get it from the inside to open it up. So there's something wrong with the mechanism here. So I'm gonna have to pull that door panel off and go inside there and see what it is. And also, I have the back seats took out, and on the other side, the